With powerful payload capacity, we answer every trust placed in us. With reliable endurance, we reach every mission to the end. This is the new TopXGun Y160 delivery drone, with a professional hoisting capacity of up to 165 kilograms, setting a new standard for efficient transport. The Y160 features a coaxial dual-rotor configuration for greater stability and safer operations. 63-inch propellers, engineered for heat-resistant and deformation-proof. High-power ESCs and high-torque motors deliver up to 150 kilograms of thrust per rotor axis. Y160 equipped with industrial-grade lifting rope, handling complex scenarios, including mountainous terrain, emergency operations, and construction material transport. During missions, the Y160 all-new flight control system delivers a 300% increase in computing power for faster, smarter decisions. Multi-layer protection delivers superior safety redundancy. Built-in UPS keeps the system powered. Battery swaps with zero downtime. The Y160 features a high-precision weighing system to monitor and display payload data in real time. Intelligent anti-sway system suppresses cargo swing, ensuring stable flight and precise hovering. The automatic landing hook releases cargo instantly upon touchdown, simplifying the delivery process. For safe transport, the Y160 features an intelligent obstacle avoidance system, combining LiDAR and millimeter-wave phased array radar. 360-degree scanning detects broad-range obstacles. High-precision real-time mapping at 850,000 points per second enables accurate terrain following. The system simultaneously tracks dynamic and static targets, planning optimal avoidance routes in real time. Trees, power lines, and other low-altitude obstacles are detected with high precision and avoided intelligently, making each flight much safer. The Y160 supports dual control operation, cooperative work with seamless pilot handover. Effective range up to 30 kilometers. With flexible operation, strong anti-interference, and rapid emergency response. During night operations, the Y160 features low-light, full-color FPV, delivering clear, detailed images even in dim conditions. Dual 80-watt high-brightness lights deliver powerful illumination, supporting safe and precise landings. The Y160 innovative energy solutions support multiple power configurations. The standard dual battery edition features 2 high-voltage batteries with mutual backup, ensuring stable power delivery. 4 high-intensity operations with a 165-kilogram payload. Maximum flight time reaches 5.5 minutes. The optional triple battery long endurance edition features 3 high-voltage batteries, delivering extended range and long-duration operation. The standard 12-kilowatt air-cooled charger delivers efficient heat dissipation, recharging each battery in just 8 to 9 minutes. Power is no longer a limitation, enabling full-capacity operation. The new TC3 remote controller provides precise control for every flight. 7-inch HD display delivers clear, intuitive visuals. Millisecond-level touch response ensures smooth and accurate operation. Powered by a 6-nanometer advanced process chip, overall performance is boosted by up to 500%. Fast 60-watt charging minimizes downtime. Up to 10 hours of continuous operation. Supports flexible expansions, sunshade, power bank clip, and RTK high-precision positioning module. Your reliable partner for all-day missions. CargoWing one-stop mission platform enables efficient collaboration and intelligent scheduling. New data link system with high-speed cellular integration ensures stable, reliable communication and real-time data synchronization, supporting remote decision-making and control. This is the TopXGun Y160 delivery drone. Cargo and control.